Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Groover. Today I'm going to show you an example of how to make a model for division of a unit fraction by a whole number. So you can see I have my unit fraction of 1/3 and then I have it divided by 4 whole. So in the model that I've already started out, you can see I drew 1 whole and I partitioned it into 3 equal parts and then I shaded 1/3 of those parts. So the next thing that I need to do is I need to divide or partition this whole into 4 equal parts. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to partition this way as if I'm partitioning into fourths this way. So now I can see instead of having thirds, it has now turned into 12ths. So my denominator now is going to be 12. And if I just focus now on that unit fraction of 1/3, I can see that it is also partitioned. So I'm going to go ahead and shade this way so that I can now see that if I take 1/3 and I partition it into 4 equal parts, I've got 1/12. I can take it a step further and double check my work by multiplying. So I can take my 1/12, multiply it by 4, and that gives me 4/12, which I have there, which in turn is 1/3. The last part I want you to think about too is how I can turn that into a word problem. So if you take a look down here, I'm going to relate it into context. So I can say that I have 1/3 pounds of berries to share with 4 people. Each person will get 1/12 pounds of berries. So looking back at my model, you can see this would be my 1/3 pounds of berries that I have. Here are my 4 friends that I'm going to share with. So as I partitioned it out, you can see that each friend overall would get 1/12.